Hello everyone, today we will see out my little sister's new toy. There is 2 3D shapes in here. Can you find them? Yes, they're right here. These are 3D shapes. They're called sphere. The first one is orange color. The second one is green. Good job. And we will leave them right here for later. This shape is a square, so it will be right here. And this is our hammer phone. It will be right here when someone calls us. Let's keep putting in shapes. This is a blue or green triangle. Let's put it in here. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, before we put it, let's just take the call first. Hello. Oh no, it's Mrs. Teddy Bear. Miss Teddy Bear, where are you? I'm inside here. In the orange hill, you can see me. Huh? Right over there. Let's take a look. She is right over there. I see her fur. Let's get her out of here, but how? Match the shapes. Dark Demon locked me up here. You heard that? Let's help her. This is a pink star. It is a 2D shape. It goes right in here. Put this back where the hammer phone belongs. And this is a pizza shape. It will go right here, and its color is red. This, we already know, it's a triangle that is blue or green color. It goes right in here. And now let's put in these. The orange one will go here, and the green one will go right here. And let's hammer it in. Oh, it dropped. Let's put it one more time. And hammer, and hammer. Oh, it did a hammer. One more time. You have to press it so I can set myself free. Oh no, it's broken. There's some shapes that are stuck here. Let's take out the shapes. Mrs. Teddy Bear, we got her out. Thank you for your help. If you like my channel, subscribe my channel and video. Bye-bye.